Mga bossing, breeding season na naman. Sa hindi pa nakakalam, ito nga pala ang Breeder's Guide. Bali may 4 tayong category. Early bird, local, national, late born. Ang unang category ay ang early bird. Mag-priming ka ng August, magbi-breeding ka ng September to October, at late born niya ay October 15 to December 15, at babandingan ka ng January 2 to January 20. Ang susunod ay ang local, mag-priming ka ng October, magbi-breeding ka ng November, at date born niya ay December 15 to January 15, at babandingan ka niya ng March 1 to March 20. At ang susunod ay ang national, mag-priming ka ng November, magbi-breeding ka ng December to February, at date born niya ay January 15 to March 1, at babandingan ka ng April 1 to April 20. At ang huli ay ang late born, mag-priming ka ng January, magbi-breeding ka ng March, at date born niya ay March 15 to May 15, at babandingan ka ng June 1 to June 20.